Hello students, welcome to my channel Online Biology Tutorials. I am Nidhi Chadda discussing chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. In this video, we will talk about what is cytoplasm, and we will also talk about various cell organelles. Okay, so you must know the names of few cell organelles. Now, what is cytoplasm? This is a cell that I have made, and this is the centrally placed nucleus. That means I have drawn the animal cell right now. Okay, so this centrally placed structure is the nucleus, and this is known as the plasma membrane. Now you can see that there is a gap between the nucleus and the plasma membrane, and this gap has been colored as green, right? Now what is this? This is the cytoplasm. Okay, this is the cytoplasm. So how to define cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like material that is found between the plasma membrane and the nucleus, right? Now this cytoplasm supports many cell organelles, right? Few of them are endoplasmic reticulum. Now this endoplasmic reticulum, it is also abbreviated as ER, right? Mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes, vacuoles, etc. There are many cell organelles which are there inside the cytoplasm. We will see a diagram, and through this we will understand what are the various labels of cell organelles where they are being found. So this is the diagram which we are going to label. Okay, this is endoplasmic reticulum, and this is rough endoplasmic reticulum specifically. We will talk in detail what is rough endoplasmic reticulum when we will come to this topic. This is Golgi body. The control center is in the center, and this is nucleus. These are our vacuoles. Okay, this sausage shaped structure is mitochondria. This is centrosome, and this big triangular structure containing enzymes is lysosome, right? These are the organelles, and we will be studying each cell organelle in detail in the upcoming videos. So in this video, we have talked about cytoplasm and various cell organelles. My question is, what is a cell organelle? Let's see how many of you are able to frame the answer to it. The students who will be trying for this answer, their names will be taken in the upcoming video. Please do share, subscribe to my channel, and I will be taking previous year questions also once we are done with the chapter. We will also discuss how to solve assertion and reason based questions. So it will be worthy for everyone. Thank you, and see you in next video.